Imagine the cool air rushing out when you open the fridge. Ping xiang keeps the food fresh. Ping means ice and xiang means box. Writing wise, ping or ice includes water radical symbolizing coldness, and xiang or box has bamboo radical representing storage. 我的冰箱里有牛奶和鸡蛋. There is milk and eggs in my refrigerator. 冰箱 means refrigerator. Imagine the sweet, creamy delight of ice cream melting on your tongue. 冰淇淋 is a delicious frozen treat. 冰 means ice, chi means wonderful, and lean evokes a frosty sensation. Writing wise, chi contains water radical symbolizing frost, and lean character depicts dripping like a melting cone. 我喜欢吃草莓味的冰淇淋. I like strawberry flavored ice cream. 冰淇淋 means ice cream. Picture throwing garbage away. 垃圾箱 helps keep things tidy. La means trash, chi means garbage, and xiang means box. Writing wise, la includes hand radical symbolizing action, and xiang or box has bamboo radical representing storage. 请把垃圾放到垃圾箱里. Please put the trash in the dustbin. 垃圾箱 means dustbin. Imagine checking your mailbox for letters and packages. 邮箱 stores mail safely, whereas 邮 means post and xiang means box. Writing wise, 邮 includes the radical city symbolizing mail services. 我每天检查邮箱. I check my mailbox every day. 邮箱 means mailbox. Imagine filling up your car's fuel tank. 油箱 holds oil or gasoline, whereas 油 means oil and xiang means box or tank. Writing wise, 油 or oil includes water radical symbolizing liquid. 我的汽车油箱快空了. My car's oil tank is almost empty. 油箱 means oil tank. Imagine cracking open an egg for breakfast. Chi tan is a kitchen staple, whereas chi means chicken and tan means egg. Writing wise, chi or chicken includes bird radical symbolizing poultry, and tan or egg character has a rounded structure representing an egg shape. 我的早餐有一个鸡蛋. My breakfast includes one egg. 鸡蛋 means egg. Picture a delicious chicken dish. 鸡肉 is widely used in cooking worldwide, whereas 肉 means meat. Writing wise, 肉 or meat character resembles a slab of meat hanging in a butcher shop, making it easy to remember. 我喜欢吃鸡肉炒饭. I like eating chicken fried rice. 鸡肉 means chicken meat. Picture a crispy, juicy chicken leg. 鸡腿 is a favorite in meals and fast food, whereas 鸡 means chicken and 腿 means leg. Writing wise, 腿 or leg character includes a bone radical symbolizing a body part. 这家餐厅的鸡腿特别好吃. The chicken leg in this restaurant is especially delicious. 鸡腿 means chicken leg. Now picture Jixi, a city in Heilongjiang province in China, known for its mining industry. Jixi is a city name, whereas Ji means chicken and Xi means west. So literally, Jixi Shi means Western Chicken City. Jokes apart, Jixi 是一个美丽的城市. Jixi is a beautiful city. Jixi means Jixi city. And picture a birthday cake with candles. Tan Kao symbolizes celebration and joy, whereas Tan means egg and Kao means cake. Writing wise, cow or cake character includes grain radical representing baked goods made from flour. 这是一个巧克力蛋糕. This is a chocolate cake. 蛋糕 means cake. Now imagine the scent of freshly baked cakes in a bakery. Tan Kao Fang is where sweet treats are made, whereas Fang means room or shop. Writing wise, Fang or room character contains door radical representing a physical space. Wo xiang chu tan kao fang mai shangri tan kao. I want to go to the bakery to buy a birthday cake. Tan kao fang means bakery. Let's imagine the clear, light texture of egg whites. Tan pai is the pure protein part of an egg, whereas tan means egg and pai means white. Writing wise, pi or white character is simple and symbolizes purity. Tan pai han chien khang. Egg white is very healthy. Tan pai means egg white or protein. Now picture the golden center of an egg. Tan huang is rich and flavorful, whereas tan means egg and huang means yellow. Writing wise, huang or yellow character includes field radical symbolizing brightness. Wa shi huan che tan huang. I like eating egg yolk. Tan huang means egg yolk. Imagine flipping a fluffy omelette. Tan pao is a classic egg dish, whereas tan means egg and pao means wrap or cover. Writing wise, pao or wrap visually represents something enclosed. 早上有一个美味的蛋包. Breakfast includes a delicious omelette. Tan pao means omelette. Moving beyond food, imagine a driver navigating the roads. Sichi operates vehicles, whereas S means to manage and Chi means machine. Writing wise, S or manage character includes Khou or mouth radical, symbolizing control. And Chi or machine character has wood radical representing mechanical work. Wata Sichi Han Yo Hao. My driver is very friendly. Sichi means driver. Now picture an office filled with employees working. Kung Su is a workplace, whereas Kung means public and Su means manage. Writing wise, Kung or work character resembles a workbench, while Su or manage character includes Khou or mouth radical, symbolizing leadership. Wazai I jia ta Kung Su Kung Zu. I work at a big company. Kung Su means company. And here's a historical trading organization. Tung Yin Tu Kung Su refers to the famous British colonial company, whereas Tung means East, Yin Tu means India, and Kung Su means company. Tung Yin Tu Kung Su Zai Li Shi Shang Ying Xiang Han Ta. The East India Company had a major historical impact. Tung Yin Tu Kung Su means East India Company. Imagine a high-ranking official overseeing operations. Se Chang represents a leadership role in an organization. Se means manage and Chang means chief or head. Writing wise, Se or manage character includes Khou or mouth radical symbolizing control, while Chang or chief character suggests seniority. Tha Pei Renming Wei Se Chang. He was appointed as the Director General. Se Chang means Director General. Now picture an official responsible for managing documents. Se Shu represents a clerk position, whereas Se means manage and Shu means book or document. Writing wise, Shu or book resembles a stylized character representing writing. Se Shu ta Kung Zu Shi Guan Li Wen Jian. The clerk's job is to manage documents. Se Shu means clerk. If you imagine the complex movements of gears and machines, Qi Xie refers to mechanical systems, whereas Qi means machine and Xie means tool or apparatus. Writing wise, Qi or machine character contains wood radical symbolizing construction, while Xie or tool character also includes wood radical signifying craftsmanship. Qi Xie Kung Chang Shi Shi Qi Xin Ta Shape. Mechanical engineers design new equipment. Qi Xie means mechanical. Imagine the moment everything aligns. Qi Hui represents a chance to succeed, whereas Qi means chance and Hui means meeting or gathering. Writing wise, chi, a chance character, has wood radical depicting productivity, while hui, a gathering character, combines radicals symbolizing connection. 这是一个很好的机会. This is a great opportunity. 机会 means opportunity.